Hey folks, it was a warm day across the valley today, and it looks like tomorrow is going to be pretty hot as well. Some changes come on Wednesday, subtle short-term changes, and then a bigger change on Friday into Saturday with a pretty strong cold front. Looks like just in time for the weekend. Let's see where we are right now. We'll start with current temperatures, and as you take a look at it, you'll see that it's 80 in Weslaco. Same thing in Port Isabel. A lot of numbers right around 80 or so, give or take a couple degrees tonight. It is a warm evening out there across the region. I think our lows tonight are going to bottom out in the mid-70s. That's about it. So it's a very mild night across the area. Warm and humid conditions prevail, and I think tomorrow we're looking at readings back up probably over 100 in the west, most areas in the upper 90s. Tomorrow is the day before the front, and the day before the front always tends to be rather hot, and that'll be the case tomorrow. Mostly sunny with temperatures climbing up into the upper 90s, and again low 100s in the far western part of the valley. Now if we take a look at what that means for your day planner, you get up in the morning, it's already in the mid 70s first thing in the morning, 75 degrees at 6 a.m. and it goes up from there. By lunchtime it's 90, and we keep going up into the mid 90s as the day goes on. So it's a hot afternoon across the area. Look at the next 7 days though. Here's where you see the changes. It's hot tomorrow. It's still pretty warm on Wednesday as that front comes in. We're about normal for this time of year. Then we climb back up, and look at the weekend. In particular, look at Saturday. 75 for a high. 20 degrees cooler than Friday. A sign of a front coming through. And it's not just the fact that it's a front, but it looks like it's got potential to bring us a lot of clouds and perhaps some rain, so temperatures would be cooler if that works out. And then a little bit of a rebound on Mother's Day Sunday, and then back to 88 degrees by the time we get to Monday next. A little bit of cloud cover tonight, not much. For the most part, just a mostly cloudy night across the region. And if you look overnight, I think some clouds kind of come and go, but then tomorrow it's just mostly sunny, breezy, and hot once again with those temperatures, as we showed you, climbing up into the upper 90s. Keep moving forward then. By the time you get to Wednesday morning, a weak cool front's making its way into the area, and with that weak front there's at least the possibility of an isolated shower or two, but we don't expect anything really big with that. I think the better chance will come with the next front Friday night into Saturday. So you see we dry out relatively quickly behind that front. Around the state right now, temperatures are 70s, 80s, 90s, depends on where you are. There's the front that's going to come into the valley early Wednesday. There you see it tomorrow. It's almost here, then it goes through, but we keep moving, and you wait for it. Here comes the next one. Not there yet, not there yet. Finally shows up on the map on Friday. That's the one that's going to bring much cooler temperatures for the weekend. So for tonight, our low is 75. Partly cloudy, a few clouds moving in as the night goes on. And then tomorrow, 97, mostly sunny, hot and humid. As you take a peek at the next 7 days, temperatures stay in the 90s tomorrow for Cinco de Mayo, but then Wednesday, again, an isolated shower, thunderstorms a possibility with that first front. Second front, Friday night, Saturday, chance for shower and some thunderstorms, and Saturday, a cool day for the early part of May with temperatures only in the low to mid 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.